The Tesla Semi-factory is almost ready to roll. Recent drone footage reveals a nearly complete facility, sparking excitement among electric vehicle enthusiasts. But here's where it gets controversial: is Tesla rushing to meet production deadlines? The factory, located near Giga, Nevada, seems to be in the final stages of preparation, with employees taking a well-deserved break over Thanksgiving weekend. However, the electric vehicle maker is still busy installing production equipment, indicating that the initial production of the highly anticipated Class 8 all-electric truck is imminent. And this is the part most people miss: the upcoming Tesla Semi-factory isn't just about manufacturing, it's about innovation. During Elon Musk's 2025 annual shareholder meeting, a sneak peek of the production model showcased a redesigned Tesla Semi. Say goodbye to the classic look and hello to slim light bar headlights, similar to the Tesla Model Y and Cybertruck. But that's not all. Tesla has also teased aerodynamic improvements, boosting the truck's efficiency to an impressive 1.7 kilowatt-hours per mile. These updates are sure to turn heads and spark discussions among automotive enthusiasts. In other Tesla news, the company is expanding its full self-driving (FSD) efforts in Europe, with a recent job listing for a vehicle operator in Vienna, Austria. As Tesla pushes for regulatory approvals and data collection in new markets, this role will be crucial for refining FSD systems on local roads. The company has already made significant progress in Spain, where the ESAV framework has authorized nationwide FSD trials. And the momentum continues with demonstrations in Germany, France, and Italy, and national approval pursuits in the Netherlands. But that's not all Tesla has up its sleeve. In a surprising career move, former Apple research scientist Yiluan Chen has joined Tesla's Optimus AI team. Chen, impressed by Tesla's synergy and the momentum behind the humanoid robot project, shared his excitement in a social media post. He praised the team's ambition and energy, stating that they believe humanoid robots are within reach. This high-profile hire adds to the buzz surrounding Tesla's innovative projects. Lastly, Elon Musk celebrated a significant SpaceX achievement: the 30th flight of a Falcon 9 booster. Once deemed impossible, this milestone proves SpaceX's dominance in spaceflight. Despite initial skepticism about rocket reusability, SpaceX has silenced critics with its successful landings and cost-saving measures. This feat showcases the company's commitment to pushing boundaries and redefining what's possible in space exploration.